Today we will see the DOS interrupt INT21H. So there are four different functions of INT21H. So first one, to input a character. Second, to display a character. Third, to display a string. And fourth, to input a string. So let's study one by one. First one, to input a character. So these two instructions, move AH, 01H and INT21H. These two instructions will accept one single character from the keyboard, and it will store that character into the AL register. For example, if I input the number 5 from the keyboard, that number 5 will be stored in AL register. So it will store that number 5 as 35. So it is going to store in ASCII format. Second one, to display a character. So the instructions are move AH, 02H, INT21H. So these two instructions will display a single character which is stored in DL register. So that character I need to store into the DL register. Example, move DL, 41H, move AH, 02H and INT21H. So if you observe this instruction, the 41H value is being loaded into the DL register. So it will display the capital A as an output. So the 41H is the value of capital A. Third one, to display a string. The instructions are move AH, 09H and INT21H. These two instructions will display an entire string which is stored in the memory location. For displaying, there are two conditions which are must. First one, the offset of the string must be loaded into the DX register. And second, the string must be terminated by the dollar symbol. Example, LEA, which stands for load effective address, DX, Y and move AH, 09H. Here, the variable Y is a string that address I'm loading into the DX register. And the variable is a string and it ends with a dollar symbol. So if I execute this instruction, so the string will be displayed onto the screen. Suppose if the string doesn't end with dollar symbol, so then it will enter into the looping state. So the last one, to input a string, the instructions are move AH, 0AH and move DX, offset data 1 and INT21H. So here offset data 1 is a variable where I'm inputting the string, and that offset data 1 address is loaded into the DX register. So this instruction will load the string to the specified address.